Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a review on the AuxBeam LED light bulbs. I ordered them for my car on the high, low, and fog lights. I received them in the mail a couple days ago, and today I was mounting them. I wanted to show you guys the difference between the LED lights and the regular lights I already had. So starting off with AuxBeam, it looks pretty well packed. When I received them, they were covered in the plastic. Once you rip off the plastic, basically the plastic just says the light bulb and the code bar they might have back in the company. Once you open the box, it's pretty well packed, looks pretty professional, and looks of good quality. So they give you the sticker. Inside this little box you got instructions and some contact us information about AuxBeam. Right now I mounted one. Well, that's what I'm going to show you, the difference right now. They come pretty well packed, looks of good quality, and just by seeing how well packed the company worries about their image, you can basically see the quality of the product. So even though they are well packed and they look pretty good, they look made of well constructed materials, I will show you the before and after. So basically, car used to look like this. You could see a little bit yellowish. I did have aftermarket light bulbs there. I bought them over at Pep Boys. They were pretty well priced, so once I had mine go out, I went ahead and bought them, and they work pretty well. I mean, I don't have no issues with that one, but once I mount these AuxBeams, you'll see the difference night and day. So here, this is the low beam and the fog lights. You could see it's a huge difference, plus it looks really nice. So this is the AuxBeam, this is the before. So I'll have another shot later today or tonight. I'll try to capture how it looks in the night with both sides on and see how well they perform. This is the high beam, high and low. So my car has an automatic switch. Once you kick in the high beams, it turns off the fog lights. I never liked that option, but it was like that when I bought it. So this is the before, this is the now, with the AuxBeam high and low bulbs. Pretty cool thing is that if you listen closely, you barely can hear the fans. So right now the car is off, I just have the lights on, and you barely can hear the fans. So normally when you have the car on, those fans won't be nearly heard. Okay, I'll catch with you later with another shot to see how good they look at night. Okay everyone, so this is the night shot. As I mentioned earlier today, this is my low beams. This is how it looks. This is with the fog lights on. And this is the high beam. So car's coming, I'm gonna go to the low beams, wait for him to pass by, and then do a drive through this dark road to see the performance of these lights. Alright, so drive. Another car's gonna come through. So this is the low beams with the fog lights on. So you can see it's pretty intense, has a good visibility. So if I go to a little bit further down, I'll show you how the high beam is going to look. So from here you could see the low beam. Now I'm gonna switch on to the high beam. Pretty happy with the performance. It looked pretty good. And that's it for this review. Thanks to AuxBeam for creating such a good product. These bulbs were not given to me. I purchased them with my own money. So this is a really honest review. Thank you all. Hope this was helpful. See you on the next one.